Hey, good morning, my beautiful people. I just finished my Pilates, just drank my coconut water, got my first bottle of water for the morning. I took a little longer on my self-care because I needed it. And I'm going to brew myself a cup of coffee before meeting with my professor this morning. And yes, I'm back in school. You know, when you work in the mental health field, you got to constantly keep educating yourself, making sure you're up to date, all that good stuff is up to date. So yes, I need a pick-me-up, so I'm going to get me some coffee. Then I am going to go ahead and do my hygiene and get dressed and start my day. I got a long day. So yeah, let me get this coffee started. This is so damn good. Oh, I love it. It's delicious. Okay, I gotta go do my makeup. Gotta start my meeting. So, yeah, this will get me going for the rest of the day.
Hello, good morning, Professor.
Hi.
Can you hear
How are
me? I can. Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well.